So in terms of this course and my stay here, I feel something has really been unblocked, that I'm able to once again be ready to take on what I need to take on, which I have been keeping away from for some time now. So I feel this is how this time here has affected me, and I feel it is, again, because of the quality of being that Raviji has brought here. It's not just the words, it's who speaks them and what speaks them.
If I really want to describe the whole experience for me, I will just say again, it's happiness. Lots and lots of happiness. And now I'm going to break it into small bits. So, when it comes to the structure of the course, earlier I was thinking that the sessions were small. Why there is 1 hour session, why there are so many breaks and everything. But now I feel it was so well designed, It's just perfect. So I think it's really, there's a lot of thought gone into creating the structure, and I'm very appreciative of it.
The way in which you unfolded some very profound meanings and teachings and reflections. At times you almost made it too easy. And then I thought to myself that obviously it's not that easy. And then when I went back and read my notes, I struggled to decode some of the meanings. But I think that's part of the journey. I just loved the comprehensiveness and the vastness of what you brought into this.
Thank you for calling it Journeys Within and not frightening us with something like the philosophy behind the Bhagavad Gita. That was nice, because it's easy to enter and step into that a little more comfortably and a little more easily. It was absolutely incredible. I've been to 1 million programs and seminars and offsites and God knows what nots over the course of my career and many, many years. The nicest thing about this program was it was unobtrusive. It was almost as if there was no structure, and yet there was a rigor. And that was incredible.
There is a way which kind of has been indicated to work on ourselves, and repeated emphasis on working on the instrument and our understanding. So that was quite important insight for me.
I would like to say I was touched by everyone's willingness to enter into this unknown series of days. And all of us, I think, were unknowing, including the people who put it together. And so a willingness to be surprised and a willingness to participate. And that's not so common. We come together and there's all varieties of backgrounds and ages and experience, and I saw everyone entering into this space, which wasn't easy at times, and willing to participate in every aspect of the program. So I think that was something that brought us all together.
I often think of experiences like images, something which seems to condense this. And I think for me, these few days here was like red earth and pouring rain. I came here very thirsty. I think at this point it's just a sense of feeling drenched by grace, drenched with the immense sharing which you gave to us. And I think the graciousness with which you shared. And also that you took us, through insightful moments almost to the core. So you actually made it less difficult. And you let us be there, and you sort of made it, illumined it for us.
I can only say that I feel as if I've had the surprise honor to be present at a kind of a cosmic event, led by Ravi, taking us on a kind of I can only call it sort of a tour of the British Museum of our internal world, based around this extraordinary text, which takes account of everything through all of time and all of the universes, and right down to little us and then little me on as part of that.